Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the DVR and network ready. Power on the Hi Focus DVR and connect it with an Ethernet cable to the router. Once connected, log into the DVR menu and confirm firmware and LAN settings. This matters because the mobile link relies on correct IP or device ID. Enable remote access or cloud service. Write down the HTTP port, RTSB port, and any unique device ID. Once done, reboot the DVR so settings take effect and move to the phone setup. You now configure the mobile side. Install the Hi Focus or vendor app from the official app store on your phone. Open the app and choose Add Device. Then pick the appropriate method. LAN search for local devices, manual IP/port if you set a static IP, DDNS if you configured dynamic DNS, or the device ID/cloud option. Enter the DVR admin username and password and save. Make sure to test a live view while on the same Wi-Fi to verify credentials and port settings. Finish by enabling remote access for off-site viewing. If you used cloud/device ID, the app should connect once the DVR cloud service is active. If you prefer direct remote, set up router port forwarding for the DVR's HTTP and RTSB ports to the DVR's LAN IP. Then use your public IP or DDNS address in the app. Make sure mobile data works and test live stream away from your home Wi-Fi. If things go wrong, check firewall rules, verify ports match, and reboot router, DVR, and phone to clear stale network state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.